Maharshi, he goes to Vishnu's home. And let's see what's happening there. Narayana, Narayana. Lord, I want to do something good.
What shall I do?
Go to earth and whatever being you see, chant my name.
Narayana.
So Narad Maharshi goes to Vishnu and Vishnu says, whoever you see first on earth, you chant Om Namo Narayana. So here comes Narad, and when he comes to the earth, he first sees a worm crawling.
This is a cute little one.
So as soon as Maharshi saw a small worm, Maharshi immediately chanted Om Namo Narayana, and to shock of Narad Maharshi, the worm dies.
This is strange. Lord, I chanted your name to a worm and it died.
Go to earth and try again.
So now when Maharshi came on earth, he sees a beautiful butterfly happily jumping.
This is a beautiful butterfly. Om Namo Narayana.
So the butterfly also dies as soon as the Maharshi chanted Om Namo Narayana.
This is strange. I said Narayana again and it didn't. The butterfly died.
Go to earth and try again.
Tweet tweet. Tweet tweet. Tweet tweet. Tweet tweet.
So he sees a bird happily jumping around. Alas, the bird also dies as soon as Maharshi chanted Om Namo Narayana. So Maharshi could not understand what is this when I ask something to be good to be done, but whenever I chant Om Namo Narayana, these creatures die.
Lord, you told me to chant Om Namo Narayana again and again, but I saw a bird, but it died.
Go to earth and try again.
There is a snake. Frightens children also. The snake also falls down there.
Lord, this is the last time I came to you and the rattlesnake died again.
It's okay. Go to earth and try again.
Vishnu keeps telling to try again and again and again. Now Maharshi came to earth and he sees a deer happily. Here comes a deer.
The deer is eating tulips in Iowa.
Iowa, yeah.
This is a jumping bird. Deer. Om Namo Narayana.
The deer also falls down dead.
This is the last time you told me, and the deer died again.
Go to earth and chant my name again.
There is a cow in Radiance farm.
This is a cute little
The cow also falls down dead.
I told your name on a cow, but it died again.
Go to earth and try again.
So now there is a monkey jumping around. The monkey also dies.
Lord, I told your name again and again to
The monkey.
monkey, but it died again.
Go to earth and meet King Kasi.
So now Narad Maharshi comes and meets the Kashi king. Pranam Maharshi, I am glad that you have come to my palace. Today is a very happy occasion. we are all celebrating the birth of a new prince. So I'm very happy that you have come on this great occasion. Please come and bless my baby. Look at this baby, how sweet it is. He is sleeping. So come and bless him that he lives long.
Then if I say this Om Namo Narayana to the baby, then the baby will also die. What should I do?
Maharshi was so scared now because Maharshi thought all the time when he chanted Om Namo Narayana, everything died. So today he is going to die in the hands of the king. So he was so scared and he goes to the baby.
Namaste, Maharaj. Thank you for killing me when I was a worm, and then a butterfly, and then all over again. And then, please, now is the time I can thank you. When I was bird and everything, I couldn't speak. So then, thank you for doing this. When I also grow up, I will do good things, and then I will attain moksha.
So the moral of the story is the baby talks to the Maharshi. He says that when he was first born as a worm, chanting Om Namo Narayana, it died, but it died an external death and then was reborn as a butterfly. Then after in the butterfly stage, when Om Namo Narayana was chanted, the butterfly died and was reborn as a snake. Then it was reborn as a bird. Then it was reborn as a deer and a cow and a monkey, finally to human. So in all the stages, this chant helped in the external evolution, finally to the human form. And only in the human form, the human beings can actually thank the Guru for giving that external transformation. And after reaching the human stage, the human being has the ability to undergo an inner transformation, inner evolution. So that inner evolution is actually being made possible by chanting the Lord's name. So how many ever times, the more we chant Lord's name, we will undergo more of our inner evolution. And that is why this beautiful skit by these three children tell us that the more we chant like Prahalad, the Lord's name, we will be protected and we will undergo a spiritual or inner evolution. And next, when Panditji does the ceremony, we will be doing the burning of Holika. The burning of Holika also represents that, because fire represents knowledge, and in the knowledge of knowing all these things as a human being, which the baby, the Prince of Kashi said, we have the knowledge to understand all these things, and only by understanding we will undergo this evolution. So when the Holika is burned, the more we chant Lord's name, it will really help us in our inner evolution. So happy Holi to all of you, and thanks to Karthik, who acted as Mahavishnu, and Deepika as Sage Narad, and the worm and the butterfly and all the creatures, and finally the human being Pranav.